Hi, I'm Michael Saperton, Cozy Roadie. I have some important information to share with you about our quick release and its proper operation. I'm going to go grab one right now so I can show you. This is the gas cylinder you received with your Cozy Roadie. We'll refer to this as the upper quick release, and this is the lower quick release assembly. So the whole idea behind the quick release is that you adjust this thrust plate so that the operation of the ejection handle will actually push this thrust plate up and push the seat plate off. And what you need to do to achieve that is make sure that this adjustment ring is backed off just enough so that when you put the seat plate on the upper portion of the gas cylinder or piston, it locks on firmly. In fact, it locks on to the point where you should be able to literally pick the chair up and have the chair stay together. Once you've done this, you're going to want to adjust the quick release clockwise or to the right until the handle is just about, the ejection handle is just 90 degrees with relationship to the gas cylinder. So this is ready to push the seat plate off of the gas cylinder. And it comes right off. Okay, so there's also an improper way to operate this, and this is if you turn the adjustment ring, the outer adjustment ring that I'm turning right now, and you'll notice that the ejection handle will spin freely regardless of the position of this handle, of adjustment ring. If you adjust this ring down too far, like turning it counterclockwise, until it becomes stiff, this will give you a false positive that the quick release is ready to eject the seat plate off of the gas cylinder. So what happens in this position, if you force this with this adjusted down improperly, and how you can visually inspect that is if you look at the adjustment, the outer adjustment ring, you'll see that it's much lower than the inner race or the inside ring that's attached to the gas cylinder. If this occurs, what happens is you put pressure on here, you can blow the quick release apart because these cams are very strong, and if you step down on this, you'll put enough force on it to literally bend the thrust plate or break the entire quick release apart. So you don't want to do that. So let's adjust this back the right way. The handle should move freely. The same thing is true for the bottom quick release. We're not going to go too much into that because it operates exactly the same way as the upper quick release. So let's go ahead and show you. There's another thing I wanted to point out when you're assembling the chair. If you try to assemble the chair with the ejection handle in line with the seat tilt adjustment, you will not be able to seat the gas cylinder in the seat plate properly, and when that happens, you'll actually potentially damage the quick release, and you'll never get the chair to assemble correctly. So you want to avoid that. With respect to the wheelbase, you should be able to put the bottom cylinder into the wheelbase and have it lock. Literally, it shouldn't come apart, nor should the seat plate if it's adjusted properly. I was messing with this. So now you have a seat plate and a base that stay together. Then you're going to want to bring the adjustment ring, again, you want to turn it clockwise until the handle is ready to eject the seat plate. And you'll want to do the same thing for the lower quick release. For the wheelbase, you want it until it's firm. Now this is ready to eject. And there you have it. It really is very simple. And I'll be sending out a service bulletin so you guys know exactly how to operate this without seeing this video. But I thought this would really help you. And thank you so much for watching.